Control plus A select all, Control plus C copy, Control plus X cut, Control plus V paste, Control plus Z undo, Control plus B bold, Control plus U underline, Control plus italic, F1 help, F2 rename selected object, F3 find all files, F4 opens file list drop-down in dialogs, F5 refresh current window, F6 shifts focus in Windows Explorer, F10 activates menu bar options, Alt plus Tab cycles between open applications, Alt plus F4 quit program, close current window, Alt plus F6 switch between current program windows, Alt plus Enter opens properties dialog, Alt plus space system menu for current window, Alt plus Send opens drop-down lists in dialog boxes, backspace switch to parent folder, Control plus Escape opens start menu, Control Alt Delete opens task manager, reboots the computer. Control plus Tab move through property tabs, Control plus Shift plus Drag create shortcut, also right-click, drag, Control plus Drag copy file, Escape cancel last function, Shift press / hold Shift, insert CD-ROM to bypass autoplay, Shift plus Drag move file, Shift plus F10 opens context menu, same as right-click, Shift plus Delete full wipe delete. Bypasses recycle bin, Alt plus underlined letter opens the corresponding menu, PC keyboard shortcuts document cursor controls, home to beginning of line or far left of field or screen, end to end of line, or far right of field or screen, Control plus home to the top, Control plus end to the bottom, page up moves document or dialog box up one page. Page down moves document or dialog down one page, arrow keys move focus in documents, dialogs, etc. Control plus greater than next word, Control plus Shift plus greater than selects word. Windows Explorer tree control, numeric keypad expand all under current selection, numeric keypad plus expands current selection, numeric keypad dash collapses current selection, broken bar expand current selection or go to first child, collapse current selection or go to parent.
Special characters. Alt 0145 opening single quote. Alt 0146 closing single quote. Alt 0147 opening double quote. Alt 0148 closing double quote. Alt 0150 dash and dash. Alt 0151 m dash. Alt 0133 ellipsis. Alt 0149 bullet. Alt 0174 registered registration mark. Alt 0169 copyright. Alt 0153 TM trademark. Alt 0176 degree symbol. Alt 0162 cent sign. Alt 0188 1/4. Alt 0189 half. Alt 0190 3/4.
PC keyboard shortcuts document cursor controls, home to beginning of line or far left of field or screen, end to end of line, or far right of field or screen. Control plus home to the top, Control plus end to the bottom, page up moves document or dialog box up one page, page down moves document or dialog down one page, arrow keys move focus in documents, dialogs, etc. Control plus greater than next word, Control plus Shift plus greater than selects word.
File menu options in current program. Alt plus E edit options in current program. F1 Universal Help, for all programs. Control plus A select all text. Control plus X cut selected item. Shift plus Del cut selected item. Control plus C copy selected item. Control plus Ins copy selected item. Control plus V paste. Shift plus Ins paste. Home go to beginning of current line. Control plus Home go to beginning of document. End go to end of current line. Control plus End go to end of document. Shift plus Home highlight from current position to beginning of line. Shift plus End highlight from current position to end of line. Control plus F move one word to the left at a time. Control plus G move one word to the right at a time. Microsoft registered Windows registered shortcut keys. Alt plus Tab switch between open applications. Alt plus Shift plus Tab switch backwards between open applications. Alt plus Print screen create screenshot for current program. Control plus Alt plus Del reboot / Windows registered task manager. Control plus Escape bring up start menu. Alt plus Escape switch between applications on taskbar. F2 rename selected icon. F3 start find from desktop. F4 open the drive selection when browsing. F5 refresh contents. Alt plus F4 close current open program. Control plus F4 close window in program. Control plus key automatically adjust widths of all columns in Windows Explorer. Shift plus F10 simulate right-click on selected item. Shift plus Del delete programs, files permanently. Holding Shift during boot up boot safe mode or bypass system files. Winky shortcuts. Winky plus D bring desktop to the top of other windows. Winky plus M minimize all windows. Winky plus Shift plus M undo the minimize done by Winky plus M and Winky plus D. Winky plus E open Microsoft Explorer. Winky plus Tab cycle through open programs on taskbar. Winky plus F display the Windows registered search, find feature. Winky plus Control plus F display the search for computers window. Winky plus F1 display the Microsoft registered Windows registered help. Winky plus R open the run window. Winky plus pause / break open the system properties window. Winky plus U open utility manager. Winky plus L lock the computer, Windows XP registered and later Outlook registered shortcut keys. Alt plus S send the email. Control plus C copy selected text. Control plus X cut selected text. Control plus P open print dialog box. Control plus K complete name, email typed in address bar. Control plus B bold highlighted selection. Control plus I italicize highlighted selection. Control plus U underline highlighted selection. Control plus R right alignment. Control plus F forward an email. Control plus N create a new email. Control plus Shift plus A create a new appointment to your calendar. Control plus Shift plus O open the outbox. Control plus Shift plus I open the inbox. Control plus Shift plus K add a new task. Control plus Shift plus C create a new contact. Control plus Shift plus J create a new journal entry, Word registered shortcut keys. Control plus A select all contents of the page. Control plus B bold highlighted selection. Control plus C copy selected text. Control plus X cut selected text. Control plus N open new, blank document. Control plus O open options. Control plus P open the print window. Control plus F open find box. Control plus I italicize highlighted selection. Control plus K insert link. Control plus U underline highlighted selection. Control plus V paste. Control plus S save. Control plus Y redo the last action performed. Control plus Z undo last action. Control plus G find and replace options. Control plus H find and replace options. Control plus J justify paragraph alignment. Control plus L align selected text or line to the left. Control plus Q align selected paragraph to the left. Control plus T hanging indent. Shift plus F1 formatting properties. Control plus E align selected.